The journey of premium leather begins here, in the heart of nature, where open pastures provide the perfect environment for livestock. Sustainable farming practices ensure that every animal is raised with care, contributing to the high quality of the final material.
Modern facilities integrate renewable energy and efficient logistics to manage the herd with minimal environmental impact.
Farmers use technology to monitor the health and well-being of the herd, ensuring traceability from day one. The logistical network connects the farms directly to the processing facilities. Arriving at the processing plant, the scale of operation shifts from agriculture to advanced industry. Strict security and hygiene protocols regulate entry into the manufacturing zone. This facility is where the raw material begins its transformation into versatile leather. Upon arrival, the livestock is unloaded efficiently into holding pens. A balanced diet is crucial. The livestock is fed a mix of natural grass and high-quality grains.
Access to clean, fresh water is mandatory, maintaining the hydration and health of the animals.
Regular veterinary checkups use advanced diagnostics to prevent disease and ensure animal welfare. Even the quality of the hide is monitored early on, ensuring a uniform and damage-free texture. As the cattle mature, they pass through automated systems that record their growth metrics without causing stress. Biometric data is collected automatically, creating a digital passport for each animal. Identification tags are essential for the supply chain, allowing for complete transparency of the source.
All data is uploaded to a central cloud system, tracking the lineage and health history of every single unit.
When it is time for transport, humane handling protocols are strictly followed to prevent injury. The transport vehicles are designed for airflow and comfort, minimizing stress during the journey. Safety checks are performed to ensure the cargo is secure before the vehicle hits the road. The facility is designed to keep the animals calm, moving them through the initial stages of the process.
Hygiene is paramount. The animals are cleaned to remove debris and ensure a sanitary environment.
The process is highly automated, ensuring consistent speed and handling. Advanced machinery assists in the handling of heavy livestock, prioritizing safety for both workers and animals. Before processing, precise measurements are taken to categorize the size and quality of the yield. This stage uses precision splitters to separate layers of the material and ensure uniform quality. Once separated, the raw hide moves immediately to the preservation stage to prevent spoilage. The hides undergo a rigorous washing process to remove salt and impurities. Liming agents are introduced to remove hair and prepare the collagen structure for tanning. This chemical bath swells the fibers, making the leather receptive to the tanning agents.
Chromium, or vegetable tannins, are used to stabilize the skin, turning it into durable leather. Thorough rinsing ensures that excess chemicals are neutralized and removed. The hides are passed through a thermal tunnel to reduce moisture content and set the grain. Controlled drying prevents shrinkage and ensures the leather remains soft and pliable. Air drying allows the moisture to evaporate naturally, a crucial step for premium grades. Quality control inspectors examine every square inch for scratches, insect bites, or imperfections. Defects are digitally marked to ensure they are avoided during the cutting process. Mechanical stretching aligns the fibers and maximizes the usable surface area of the hide. In the dye house, the leather is tumbled in drums with high-quality pigments to achieve deep, rich colors.
The dyeing process penetrates the entire thickness of the hide, ensuring color longevity. Robotic arms handle the hides during the dyeing process to ensure even coverage and consistency. The porous nature of the leather absorbs the dye, permanently altering its appearance. Fat liquoring oils are added during this stage to restore softness and flexibility to the material.
Once the desired shade is achieved, the hides are removed and sent for finishing.
Protective coatings are applied to make the leather water-resistant and durable against wear.
This finishing layer also determines the final gloss level, from matte to high shine.
High-temperature drying cures the finish, locking in the color and protection. Precision temperature control prevents the leather from becoming brittle during this critical phase. Embossing rollers can apply exotic textures, such as crocodile or pebble grain, to the smooth leather.
This allows for a wide variety of aesthetic styles from a single type of raw material.
Buffing and polishing refine the surface, giving the leather a velvet-like touch.
The final polish brings out the natural luster and depth of the leather's grain. Computer-controlled cutting tables nest the patterns to minimize waste and ensure precision. Before final assembly, the leather is inspected one last time for consistency.
Laser technology allows for intricate designs and cuts that would be impossible by hand. Smart software analyzes the hide's shape to calculate the most efficient cutting layout.
Automated blade cutters provide clean edges, essential for high-end leather goods. Engraving adds decorative elements, customizing the leather for specific fashion brands.
Specialized slitters convert sheets into straps and laces for belts and accessory details.
Human touch remains a vital part of the process, verifying the tactile quality of the cut parts.
Skeeving thins the edges of the leather, allowing it to be folded and sewn without bulk.
Organization is key. Parts are sorted by color and kit before moving to the assembly line. Components are kitted together, streamlining the workflow for the sewing department. Die cutting presses are used for repetitive shapes and logo embossing. In footwear production, the leather uppers are matched with soles and insoles. Garment production requires large, flawless panels, demanding the highest quality hides. The material flow moves seamlessly from the cutting room to the sewing floor.
Consistency checks ensure that all parts of a single product match perfectly in shade.
The assembly floor is where skilled craftsmanship meets industrial efficiency. Heavy-duty sewing machines are required to stitch through multiple layers of thick leather.
Dexterity and experience are essential. One slip can ruin an expensive piece of material.
Heat pressing flattens seams and bonds interlinings, giving the product its structure. Contrast stitching is a stylistic detail that requires perfect alignment.
In shoemaking, the lasting process pulls the leather tight over the form to shape the footwear. For ultra-luxury items, traditional hand-stitching techniques are still employed.
Decorative stitching adds character and value to belts and accessories. Small leather goods like wallets and notebooks require intricate handling of small parts. Hardware installation is a critical step, securing buckles, rivets, and snaps. Zippers must be installed perfectly straight to ensure smooth operation.
Sole stitching creates a durable bond that withstands daily wear and tear.
Finishing involves trimming threads and cleaning the product of any production residue.
Final adjustments are made by hand to ensure the shape is perfect.
High-quality hardware is attached with precision, adding the final touch of luxury.
The leather is cleaned and conditioned to bring out its natural shine before packaging. Edge painting seals the raw-cut edges, providing a refined and finished look.
Edge polishing ensures there are no rough spots that could catch on clothing.
Conditioning creams nourish the leather, keeping it supple during storage and shipping.
Hot stamping applies the brand's logo in gold or silver foil.
Functional testing ensures that all zippers and clasps work flawlessly. Straps and handles are attached and stress tested to ensure they can hold weight.
Final embossing adds texture or branding to small leather goods.
Every pair of shoes undergoes a 360-degree inspection for symmetry and finish.
Guidance marks used during assembly are removed or cleaned off.
Saddle stitching is the hallmark of traditional leathercraft, offering superior durability.
A final layer of wax or polish protects the bag and enhances its appeal. Working with thick leather requires physical strength and the right tools. The result is a diverse range of high-quality products ready for the market.
Hi guys! In this video, we will see the processing of cowhide and sheepskin.
Garments are hung to prevent creasing before they are packed. Automated systems perform a final check for metal needles or foreign objects. Dimensions are verified against the design specifications.
Precision ensures that the product feels right in the customer's hand.
Approved items are scanned into the inventory system.
The packing department prepares the goods for global distribution.
Careful handling continues right up until the product is boxed. Waste management systems collect offcuts for recycling or repurposing. Responsible manufacturing includes the proper disposal and recycling of waste materials.
The finished goods enter the logistics center, ready to be shipped to retailers worldwide. Inventory tracking ensures that orders are fulfilled accurately and on time.
Pallets are loaded onto trucks for the final leg of the journey. Efficiency in loading creates a smooth transition from factory to storefront.
Finally, the products arrive at their destination, the retail boutiques.
Here, the journey culminates in a display of style and craftsmanship. Customers can feel the quality and history in every stitch.
The leather bag is not just an accessory. It is a testament to a long process of care and skill.
From the green pastures to the fashion runway, this is the story of leather.
Timeless, durable, and beautiful. This is the art of leather making.